Hello everyone, this is Hamad, and in this video I'll talk about JavaScript runtime environment. So what is a JavaScript runtime environment? JavaScript runtime environment is an environment that executes the JavaScript. We can execute JavaScript on client side, we can execute JavaScript on server side. Client side execution of JavaScript happens on browser, while server side execution of JavaScript happens on Node.js. So JavaScript execution differs on the basis of the different environments. So we have two types of environments, server side environment and client side environment. In this video, I'll be talking about the client side environment of JavaScript. The client side environment of JavaScript has four components: the JavaScript engine, the web APIs, the callback queue, the microtask queue. The main component of JavaScript runtime environment is JavaScript engine. The JavaScript engine is a program that executes the JavaScript code. The actual execution happens in JavaScript engine. We have different browsers. We have Chrome, we have Safari, we have Mozilla Firefox. And for each of these browsers, we have different JavaScript engines. For Chrome, we have V8, which is the most popular one. It is written in C++ and it is also a part of Node.js. It supports the same functionality in both sides. Node.js is used for server side, and in browser we use it for the client side. In Safari we have JavaScript core, and in Mozilla Firefox we have SpiderMonkey. So there are different browsers and there are different JavaScript engines. In the JavaScript engine we have two main components, the heap and the call stack. Call stack is where the actual execution of program happens. Call stack keeps track of the function calls, and it gets deleted with the completion of the function execution. Heap is a dynamic memory which stores all the objects that the JavaScript needs, and call stack is a structured memory, and it has the execution context of the JavaScript program. Next part is we have web APIs. Web APIs are not the part of language itself. The language I am talking about is JavaScript. So I can say web APIs are not the part of JavaScript. Web APIs are the extra functionality that the runtime provides to the JavaScript engine to enhance the functionality of the JavaScript engine. In the web APIs, we have fetch, we have web workers, and we have console log. Timer functions are also the part of web APIs. The all type of DOM manipulation happens in the web APIs. So DOM manipulation is also not the part of JavaScript, it is a part of web APIs. And web APIs are the part of JavaScript runtime environment. We have callback queue and microtask queue. Both of these queues are the part of event loop. We know that event loop is used to handle asynchronous operations that prevents the blocking of main thread. So we can say that there are mainly the three different components of JavaScript runtime environment. These are JavaScript engine, web APIs, and event loop.